I'm Rajeswary Venkitaramanan, taking classes, shorthand classes in YouTube. Today, we are going to read and write 20 words English shorthand dictation. We have been discussing. D surplus K surplus ing. Discussing. Some surplus M. Of our. National. N Shanuk L. And international. And international. Problems. Per Bill MS. Problems during the last 3 days. The most important M surplus M problem. Per Bill M. The most problem before us. B for us. At the present time. Is the supply of. Surplus P. The L hook clearly shown. Supply of NF. Food. F. D through the line. To our people. That is grammar log. The second problem is the surplus K hard. Second problem is the rising. Raise surplus ing. If you want, you can put the I diphthong. Rising prices per circle. Prices. Okay. Practice 15 or 20 times. We have been discussing some of our national and international problems during the last 3 days. The most important problem before us at the present time is the supply of enough food to our people. The second problem is the rising prices. Please subscribe, share, and like. Practice it